Hey guys, Alaha here. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. And if you're an existing subscriber, how you doing? Welcome back. Thanks for joining me. So today I'm going to be sharing a secret with you guys, which is why I don't have any makeup on. It is my $8 secret to clear skin. Yes, $8. This product that I'm about to show you helps out with a lot of different skin problems. It helps with acne, blemishes, pores, and you know, who doesn't want skin that is free of acne and skin that is free of pores and blemishes? I think we all want that. I've been using this product for about a year or so, and to be completely honest with you, it has helped my skin tremendously. I never had extremely problematic skin, but I did have some issues that I hated. Sometimes the pores on my nose looked a little too enlarged. Sometimes I would get blemishes on my face. As you guys can see right over here, I have a couple of blemishes that have been here for a little while. I blame myself entirely for that, and that's because I pick at my skin, and I mentioned this in my last video. I know it's a horrible habit to have, but I do pick at it even though I try not to. It just happens, you know? So I uploaded a skincare routine a few days ago, and you all wanted to know how I keep my skin clear. A lot of you messaged me asking me how I maintained clear skin. Let me just put this out there. My skin is not perfect by any means. I know that it looks like I have great skin on camera, but like everyone else, I also have those little problems with my skin that I don't like and I wish I could get rid of. And this product that I'm about to show you has actually taken my skin from like a 70% to like a 95%. I don't get blemishes as often as long as I am consistent with this product. I don't get blemishes. I get 1 or 2 pimples here or there if it's the time of the month, but other than that, my skin stays pretty free. Can't speak. My skin stays pretty free and clear of acne or anything like that. And for somebody who does wear makeup quite often, that's actually a big deal because we all know makeup can clog your pores, makeup can give you problematic skin, etc., etc. So, are you guys ready for my secret? Who's ready? Are you ready for my secret? If you're ready for my secret, before we continue, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel and click that thumbs up button if you haven't already, and please turn on the bell notifications so you guys are notified every time I upload a new video. So with that being said, let's jump right on into the secret, mysterious product that I'm gonna share with you. Okay guys, are you ready? I think we're all ready. I think we've built up the anticipation and I think we're ready. So the secret skincare item that I'm going to share with you guys that costs about $8 on Amazon.com is this Health and Beauty Aztec Secret Clay. This is Indian healing clay. It is the world's most powerful facial deep pore cleansing 100% natural calcium bentonite clay. What this is, it's an all-natural substance that when mixed with either water or apple cider vinegar really takes all the dirt and impurities out of your skin. So anyway, this clay can be used for many different things. Let's just read the box here. Aztec Secret Indian Healing Clay. It's for facials, acne, body wraps, clay baths, foot soaks, chilled clay for knee packs, and handy for insect bites. Enjoy the benefits of clay in your own home. Beautify and refresh just as Cleopatra used clay in her beauty ritual in ancient Egypt. The directions are: mix healing clay with equal parts of raw apple cider vinegar and or water. Best to use non-metal bowl and utensil. Stir the mixture well until it is a smooth paste. Add more clay or liquid as needed. Apply a 1/4 to a 1/2 inch layer to the face or other area. Let it dry for 5 to 10 minutes. And for delicate skin, Let it dry for 5 to 10 minutes for delicate skin and 15 to 20 minutes for normal skin. You will feel a pulling and tightening. I really can't read today. You will feel a pulling and tightening sensation. Feel your face pulsate, which is true. I swear it's true. Remove clay by washing with warm water. Slight redness of the skin is normal and will disappear in about 30 minutes. Aztec Secret Indian Healing Clay helps to remove impurities and dirt from the pores. Deep pore cleansing of the skin. World's most powerful facial. So this here is a 2-pound container. You obviously don't need the 2 pounds if you're just trying this out for the first time. The 1-pound container is $8 on Amazon, which is why this is my $8 secret. This is my second jar here, and the only reason is because I actually did apply it to my skin completely one day just to kind of see what it does for me, and it left my skin so smooth and soft. I absolutely loved it. With this container here, you get 908 grams of healing clay, which makes about 20 to 30 facials. They're lying. It makes a lot more than that because, to be honest with you, a little bit of this goes a very, very long way. So that being said, let's jump right in. Let's do this together. I wanted to do a face mask today, so I wanted to do it on camera. And yeah, here it goes. So I got this little face mask kit from Amazon. It came with a little plastic bowl. It came with some plastic measuring spoons. And it came with a little spatula as well as a brush. I'm not gonna use the brush because the ferrule of the brush is actually metal, and with this clay you don't wanna use anything metal, so it's best to use a plastic container. If you use the metal, from what I know, or to my understanding, the metal deactivates the properties in the clay that help fight out those impurities and detox your skin. So that's why you don't wanna use any metal on your face. That's why around my nose ring area, I try not to get it on my nose ring. So I'm gonna be using apple cider vinegar, but you can use water if you have very sensitive skin. Just use regular water. The apple cider vinegar I'll be going in with is the Bragg's Organic Raw Unfiltered Apple Cider Vinegar. You do wanna use raw apple cider vinegar and not the, I don't remember what brand it is, but there's a brand of apple cider vinegar that I was using for a while and it's not raw and unfiltered. So try to go with this one. They sell this in the grocery store. I think it's about $4. Or again, like I said, you can just use water, whatever you prefer. So I'm going to take the measuring spoon and measure out a tablespoon of the clay first because it's a powder, and then the apple cider vinegar is a liquid, and you don't want to get any apple cider vinegar into the actual container. So just be careful with that and do these steps accordingly. So I'm just gonna take my little bowl here. Hopefully, actually, you know what? Let me just set this on the counter here. So I'm just gonna take my little bowl and I'm going to dump a tablespoon of the clay into my bowl. Just like that. I think we all know how to do that, right? And once you give your apple cider vinegar a nice shake, you're gonna take about a tablespoon of this. Ooh, please don't spill because this shit stinks. Then just take a tablespoon of the apple cider vinegar and dump it right over that. And you'll kind of hear it. I don't know if you guys can see it on camera, probably not, the little bubbles that are floating out of this. You'll hear it kind of fizzing around, and it's really cool because it starts reacting the minute you pour the apple cider vinegar in there. Then take your plastic spatula and just mix this together. This is usually the perfect amount for my entire face, but if you do need more, just mix equal parts. So if you use a tablespoon and you want to add another half tablespoon of each, just go ahead and do that and you can have some more product. Or if you have a larger area that you're applying this, again, just mix equal parts. Once you've mixed it all together, you should have a very creamy consistency like this right here. And it should be thick too, so it doesn't just spill out of the spatula. I just take it on the back of my spatula and I just put it on my face. And avoid the eye area. That should be, you know, common sense, but just want to put that out there. If you have any other piercings, make sure that you don't get this clay in contact with any metal or it will deactivate it. Deactivate the healing properties. And if you get it in your hair, it's totally fine. Nothing's gonna happen. And I also like to apply it under my jaw right here. If you guys see, I pretty much used almost all of it, but I still have some left to spare. So it should be more than enough. I'm gonna go ahead and set my timer for 20 minutes. But if you have sensitive skin, keep it on for 5 to 10. If you don't have sensitive skin, you can keep it on for 15 to 20 minutes. So that's why I'm leaving it on for 20 minutes. And once my timer goes off, you guys will see what my face looks like. Okay guys, so it's been about 20 minutes. As you can see, the mask has cracked and peeled off a little bit. Some of the flakes have fallen into my lap here and they're still falling. I'm gonna go ahead and wash this off with some warm water and then I'll be right back to finish up this video. Okay guys, so I washed the mask off. My skin feels great. It feels very clean. I just went ahead and applied my moisturizer to my face. It feels so refreshing to do this mask. I do this mask on myself about once a week. Sometimes if I forget, I'll go like 2 weeks without doing it. You guys, if you have problematic skin, you can probably do it more than that, 1 to 2 times a week. I wouldn't do it more than that though, because I don't know if that will kind of strip your skin. It doesn't really say on here how often to do it, but again, I've done it twice a week in the past and no problem. Like my skin was fine with it and it made my skin extremely clean and clear. You guys can see that the mask has caused some redness right around here, my cheek area, a little bit on my chin and forehead, but I already have an issue with redness as it is. The minute I apply any kind of moisturizer to my face instantly turns a little red, but then it goes away. Same with this. The mask says that it does cause some redness and it goes away within 20 to 30 minutes, which is true. So don't worry about that. If you see it happen, it's not a reaction, hopefully, and it's just a little bit of redness that'll go away. My skin feels very good. It feels very clean and I moisturized it already, so we're good to go with that. Yeah, I really hope you guys enjoy this little video. You guys have always asked me if I have any secrets to clear skin. This is my biggest secret. So I hope you guys enjoy it. I hope you go on Amazon and get yours. I wish I had a link for you, but unfortunately I don't. Just go ahead on Amazon and search Aztec Secret Health and Beauty Indian Healing Clay and it'll pop right up. You can get the small one to try out, and if you like it, go ahead and get the big one like I did. So thank you guys so much for tuning in. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you have not already, and please don't forget to turn on the bell notifications so you guys are notified every time I upload a new video. And if you're not following me already, please go ahead and follow me on all my other social media outlets. I have Snapchat, Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. All of that is at Makeup by Alaha. It's super, super easy to find me and follow me. As always, thank you guys for tuning in. I love you guys, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!